And welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a real quick 10-minute gnome to share with you that is great for craft fairs, great for gifts, and I'm also going to show you how to package them to sell them at a craft fair. So if you want to know how to make them, stick around. I'll show you how. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Right, Maxwell? Okay, for this one, you're going to need a sock and you're going to need a styrofoam cone. And this is a 7-inch styrofoam cone. You can get those on Amazon, Michael's, Hobby Lobby. They all have them. And then you're just going to cut on the toe side of it just below the heel. So don't cut through your heel. You want to keep that for your hat. And then just go ahead and put your cone on down in here and pull this all the way up. And we're going to put a rubber band around the top to secure it. Just really make sure that you get your toe area pretty sealed up there. Pull this on up, and then you're just going to tie a rubber band around the top. This is a real quick and easy project, and these will make great craft fair bestsellers and great gifts. And then we're going to take our string and we're going to secure the top part of this by tying this off. That way, if your rubber band breaks, you have this secure at the top. Okay, and then we're going to glue it to the styrofoam at the very top. So just put a little bit of glue all the way around there and kind of just squeeze this together till it dries. And then we're going to trim off any excess on the top. Just make sure you do get that glued in good. Okay, next we're going to make our hat. We're just going to take our other part and we are going to come up just above the little ribbed area and we're going to cut at an angle all the way till you get to the heel. You want to kind of make a little pointy tip. And then we're going to turn this inside out and we're going to glue this together. Just kind of make sure you do get it lined up, and then you're going to put a generous amount of glue all the way up until this is secured. And then just set that aside and let that dry real good. Next, to make the beard, we're just going to take some white faux fur. You can get this on Etsy. You can get it on Amazon. Just cut it till it's straight across, and then we're going to measure this at 2 3/4 inches across. Make a mark onto your fabric, and then go 2 inches down and make a mark on there. And then we are going to cut in a U shape all the way from one side to the other side, cutting behind the faux fur only. And you could use a razor if you want to do this too. I know a lot of people do that also, but I'm just using some scissors. And then you want to clean any excess fur off, and I'm just using a pet comb. It works really good on this fur without tearing it up. And you could use a lint brush on this if you wanted to as well. But once we get all this combed out, then we're going to attach this to the base of our gnome. And we are just going to come up to where it's just touching just the bottom. And then we're just going to put a little bit of glue across the front part. And then it's just attach this right here. And then kind of pull your beard down, kind of shape it out a little bit. And then we're just going to attach our hat with the seam part in the back. And then we're going to pull it all the way down and we're going to glue it into the back. And this is like a little scrunchy hat, so it is going to have a little bit of wrinkle in it. And then just pull that all the way down to the back, and then we're just going to glue that in. And spend a little bit of time kind of getting this all straightened out a little bit. We're just going to come down just below the edge of our beard, and we're going to attach our nose. And I'm just using a 5/8 inch felt ball. I got these on Etsy. I'll give you the link for them. And then glue the top part of the hat to the top part of the nose. Next, to trim out the hat, I'm just using some Yarn Bee Eternal Bliss yarn in white, and I got this at Hobby Lobby. Just start at the very back, and then we're going to go all the way around and come back to the back and meet in the middle. This really does give a nice little trim on this, and it's not expensive. I think this yarn ended up costing like $5 for a whole bolt of it. And try to get right up against the edge of the bottom of that hat. And then put a little bit of glue right around the edge and just kind of squeeze that down so you don't see any of that hat. And then just keep going all the way around till you get to the back. And then we're going to cut that off and we're going to join the two pieces on both sides. And then just put a little bit of glue in the center to seal these two together. And then just continue to glue all the way around till you don't see any of that hat at the bottom. And then to finish it off, I'm just going to add a little wreath that I got at Michael's, and I'm just going to glue it right to the hat. This was a quick and easy project, and these are good craft fair sellers, and they do make great gifts. And it's a good idea if you are doing a craft fair to go ahead and bag your gnomes up. I'm just putting mine down into a plastic bag. I'm going to box the corners so it'll still stand up. Because a lot of people are eating at craft fairs and you don't want them getting their food on your product. And then I'm just securing the top with a rubber band. And then I've given you these tags in the description below. You can download them and cut them out. And then I'm just going to punch a hole in it, add it with some baker's twine, and then I'm going to tie a nice ribbon around the top. That way, if somebody wants to gift this too, it's already packaged for them as well. I think they look a little bit more professional if you do take the time to add this little extra bagging to them and tagging to them. Look how cute that is. And make plenty of them because everybody will want one. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video today. If you like these kind of videos, be sure to give me a like, subscribe, and ring that bell to be notified when I have a new video upload. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. And if nobody's told you today, you're awesome. See you next time. Thanks for watching.